זה הבורא, נגיד, כוח עליון, וזה כוח התחתון הנברא.
This is the upper force, this is the lower force, the creature, and the creator arranges for you all these negative things and seemingly positive things, and you from below, you do the same. You accept them in this way. How do you build it? Okay, we'll do it like this, no other way. This is on top is the creator, on the bottom is the image of the creator. When you connect these two things, the plus and minus, by that you build here on the bottom the image of the creator, and you can't do it without this plus and minus. That's why you have to keep going back to this plus and minus in order to renew them and be prepared for the next time. So when you build here the image of the creator, this will be called a Parzuf. And when you return to the previous state, this is Oshimo. And that's how we work. Without the plus and the minus, without these two opposing things, you cannot feel anything, you cannot prepare anything. Oppositions. Okay?